Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about numerical on photodiode. In the numerical it is written when an optical power incident on a photodiode and the incident optical power is given by 10 microwatt. The responsivity that is denoted by the capital R is 0.8 ampere per watt. So we have to find the photo generated current in microampere. So for this case, we know that the incident power PE is given by 10 microwatt and the responsivity value capital R is given by 0.8 ampere per watt, and we have to find the photo generated current, and the photo generated current, we write the photo generated current, if we denote it as IP. So IP value is nothing but the P input into the responsivity. So this is one of the main equation of the. So in this equation, if we put all the values, then we can find the value of IP. IP will be 0.8 into 10. It will come out to be micro ampere. So ultimately we'll get IP as 0.8 into 10 into microampere, and it will be equals to 8 microampere. So this is the value of the photo generated current in microampere, and this will be the answer. From this we can say this is all about the discussion on this numerical on photodiode. Thank you.